features of the Grand Hyatt here at KL is my room is on the 19th floor, but to get to it I have to catch this express lift to the 38th floor lobby and then get another lift down to the 19th floor. There's no way you can get a single lift from ground level to your room level. So this is the standard room at the Grand Hyatt in Kuala Lumpur. Very sizable room. Chaise lounge. King size bed. Large television, looks about 60 inches. Desk. Let us see the view. Fairly wet day in Kuala Lumpur, so this is the 19th floor view. Look at the desk amenities. We've got international power points there. Interestingly, I cannot see any USB points, not near the desk anyway. Power point near the bed on both sides. And then we have the bathroom area, extensive bathroom area. Vanity basin here, vanity desk with hairdryer. Literally a bathroom, a room with a bath, and the shower on the wall there. So it appears there is both a handheld shower head and there is a rainwater shower head. Clearly there is a view to the room if you want it, and I assume that that can be blocked out. Next to the vanity desk there is the toilet with full-length mirror to compose yourself. A wardrobe, a walk-in wardrobe, a little bench seat so you can sit when you put your shoes on. Once again, a mirror in the wardrobe. Appears to be 6 coat hangers. There's the iron, there is an ironing board. There is a safe and some drawers. It appears this might be a connecting room. There is a door there, I assume, to the room next door, which is negative or positive, depending on what your needs are. Clearly the bathroom area can be closed off. And then towards the entrance we have a Nespresso machine with 4 Lavazza pods. There are some mugs and snacks. There is the minibar price list there. It's the Hyatt, so nothing is cheap. Beer is 25 ringgit, which is about 8 Australian dollars. Loads of instant coffee satchels with creamer and sugar. A drawer fridge, fully stocked. There is 4 bottles of filtered water, and I'm assuming they are included with the room. This is normal in KL. And there is a kettle. And so here is the room, now viewed with the window open. So a fairly light and bright room. So it appears there is a privacy button. We'll see what happens when I press this. There we go. You can get privacy from the rest of the room. On the left we have lemongrass chicken, and on the right we have Wagyu beef brisket. So it's possible to get this skywalk all the way from Bukit Bintang to the Hyatt, the Grand Hyatt here. In fact, I came all the way from the Ritz-Carlton Hotel to the Grand Hyatt, and you can do it without a single step. So the skywalk will take you from the rear of the Pavilion Shopping Centre all the way here to the KLCC Convention Centre, and then there's an elevator, or you can just take a couple of steps here, and then you actually enter the Hyatt through the rear entrance, which is pretty simple, but you can do the whole trip without a single step if you're clever.